What's happening, Aaron?
Mate, you alright?
Yeah, what's going on today, mate? What are you doing today?
Working on a GT-R today.
Okay, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Changing the exhaust, putting a fucking, was it Mintex?
Miltech.
Miltech.
Okay. Miltech white pipe, yeah?
Yeah, mate.
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Just having a quick break.
Quarter to 8 and we're trying to change the white pipe. So what we're trying to do is, those two bolts there were rock hard. So we've just managed to undo that. So we're going to leave it in there. Now we've got to work on the front end. Be right back. First, because there's 4, drop that a bit.
Yeah, it will rest there anyways.
Put a brick here so it doesn't fucking fall. Put a brick there, hold it, and then we'll take the other one off, drop it, slide it out.
You know what, people, what they do is they take the bolts off and let it just drop.
Do you know what? Give that red thing, hold it here so it will drop onto that. Then we'll just push it out.
You can just pull it out, it doesn't matter.
You sure?
Yeah.
Ain't gonna damage the thing.
No.
Are you going to sell this one?
Yeah, of course. Hey, nothing's going for free. So Aaron, what's going on? What are you doing, mate?
Just loosening them
Loosening the bolts and that.
Yeah.
So we've got 4 at the front,
for that.
and then we've got 2 at the front, at the back, and it's taking us what, an hour, just to obviously.
No, I've got more than that. Fucking.
We've been in. I fucking left work at 5 o'clock. Fucking 7:30, mate. Fucking.
What time is it now? 7:30.
8:30, man.
Excellent.
So it's the way we've jacked the car up. It's not really ideal. All you GT-R fanboys are gonna obviously gun us for this, but
this is the way forward.
This is
It is 8:30 in the evening, and we're doing the job. So
is it 8:30?
yeah,
9. It's 8:30. Yeah, 8:30.
this is the way we do.
So
We need a better jack. That's what we know.
So kids, don't try this at home.
Right, that's done.
Yeah.
Nearly done.
Right, so let us remove this and we'll come back.
Is anything gonna come out of this?
Gaskets, that's it. So we've managed to take all the bolts out. Now we just got to move this pipe out. Factory sand pipe. Okay, awkward.
Yeah, I say you fuck with the middle. Yeah, go on. This side.
No.
It's clean.
What's happening, people? So we finally got it done. After many hours, I'll show you what we've done. You can barely see it really. But yeah, we got the bolts on. We had to buy additional bolts. To do the back bit. Basically, when we put this wire pipe on, this new one, Miltech, there was like a 2 centimeter gap at the back. Now, what other YouTubers don't tell you is that gap will be there because the rear of the exhaust can be moved forward or pulled back. So when you put the bolts on, don't worry about the 2 centimeter gap. Bolt the front end first. Put the bolts into the rear and start tightening them. That rear exhaust will start moving slowly because it's on hangers. So anyway, that's it. I'll start uploading the video. We just took the car for a test drive. You're gonna see the difference. It sounds sick.